We are still discussing the same topic, equations and inequalities. This is lesson 2. So in this lesson, we are looking at different type of equations. It's another different type of equations. They are called fractional equations, whereby you are asked to solve. How do we solve this fractional? When you're talking about fractional, like this one, x over 2, the 1 over 2y, then 7 over 1, these are fractional equations. So we want to look at how do we solve fractional equations. So when you are given fractional equations, as you can see, what we are going to do now here is x over 2 is equals to 3. How do we solve this one? In order to solve this type of equations, we have to remove the denominator. So how do we remove the denominator? By multiplying both sides by 2. Here we multiply by 2, then this one multiply by 2. So 2 and 2 here it cancels. Then we remain with x is equals to, if you multiply 2 times 3, gives us 6. Right. Now, example number 2. 1 over 2y is equals to 7. So this one can be written as y over 2 is equals to 7. As you can see here, I'm making them uniform. This is another way, another method again, so that you don't make mistakes. So making them uniform, as you can see, y over 2 is a fraction. You can make 7 also as a fraction by using 1. 1 is an identity number. Do not use any other number. If you want to make fractions uniform, use 1 only. So here it will be 1 over 7 over 1. So when it is 7 over 1, what do we do now in order to remove these two denominators? You cross multiply. 1 times y gives us y. 2 times 7 gives us 14. You have removed the denominators as well as you have solved the equation. So your final answer will be y is equals to 14. Let's look at the last example. 7 over 1 is equals to x over 5. So as you can see, both have this one, the denominator is 1, this one denominator is 5. So in this case, we do what we call cross multiplication. Multiply 7 times 5, here you get 35. Then 1 times x, we get x. So as you can see, it now a linear equation. And at the same time, we have solved it. X is equals to 35. So in this exercise, that is what I want you to do. You are going to use this method, which I have explained, to solve the following exercise. So in this exercise number 1, as you can see here, we have got a fraction, here we've got a whole number, make them uniform, then do the cross multiplication. The same thing again here, y over 3 is equals to 7, make them uniform, then do the cross multiplication. The same thing here, make them uniform, 1 over 1, do cross multiplication. Make them uniform, here you have to first group like terms. So this negative 1 goes to that side, then it becomes positive. After that, you make them uniform, then do cross multiplication. So that is what I want you to practice. So please make sure you answer all the questions and show the working. Thank you very much.